What if bots are making intelligent decisions like humans and assisting us in every business, at homes and offices, as a companion enhancing your lifestyle? At garden and landscape, taking care of plants with watering, manuring and other routines. At agriculture, in assisting with farm operations and doing precision crop management. At farms, through 24/7 monitoring and ensuring a comfortable environment for livestocks, and at industries with automated production processes and giving a real-time visibility of entire industrial operations. Now, what if all the above turns into a reality? We, BotBerry, founded in 2020 by a team of professionals with over 2 decades of rich automation experience, develop and offer intelligent automation solutions based on AI, deep learning capability, IoT and cloud technologies. Thus, our solutions can transform conventional human-driven systems and processes into a smart, digital and connected autonomous systems for a simple, smarter and faster operations. Now, let's join together to innovate and build a better tomorrow.